Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Dodge Ram that generation here from year 2013 to year 2018. If you have a problem where you get a message on the dash that says service airbag system, stay with us, we'll explain what can easily cause that. Now guys, consider this video for entertaining purposes only. This video is not a how-to video because you have to be qualified and certified to work on airbags, otherwise you can get injured, even killed. You can make the airbags explode or not work properly when in crash. Now, so guys, consider this video for entertaining purposes only. Quick reminder for any of you that work on airbag systems, disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour, okay? For any of you that are certified to work on airbag system, disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour and make sure you know which battery terminal to disconnect, reconnect first, otherwise you can burn modules, computers that can cost you thousands of dollars. We have a link in the description of the video below that explains which battery terminal to disconnect, reconnect first. So we will explain where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix anything like engines, transmission, codes, fuses, bodywork, all that stuff. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. On this channel, guys, specifically, we will be making a video about every single fuse, every single relay on that Dodge Ram. And let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your fuel pump fuse goes bad. All we have to do, find our video, watch it for a minute or two, replace that fuse, you're back on the road. So we do that, guys, to help you as much as we can. Also, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, we're going to demonstrate on that generation Dodge Ram right here. Okay, what we need to check if you have service airbag system, we need to go ahead and open the hood. There are two main fuses that you need to check that control the airbag system. Where they're located, that's your car battery right here in front of it. Okay, you have a fuse box, press these two tabs, open that cover, underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So for service airbag system, what you need to check, we're going to zoom in now, guys, okay, right here. And once we zoom in, guys, please make sure you stand till the end. We want to share something really good advice with you, that way you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. The fuses that we check for airbag system, that's fuse 85 and 86. These two fuses, you can see they're specially protected, but you can easily remove them. Only you have to be certified and qualified to know what you're doing, guys. Other things, if you have service airbag system, it could indicate, okay, problems with airbag module, airbag sensor, not contacting wire, loose connector. Check quite often, guys, we see wires under the seats, because sometimes people will stick their feet when they're in the back seat. They will either break or disconnect a wire, make it loose, and that can cause quite often service airbag system code. But those will be some of the most common things, guys, okay, that we see here at the garage. So guys, you have all kinds of different fuses and relays. Some of those are very specific, they're hard to find, especially if you're in a small town or in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere for a few days until we got a shipment on the internet, guys. So keep some spares in your glove box for a peace of mind. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.